In this lecture, we will cover how to change the default measurement system in our SOLIDWORKS files. You will notice that when we open a new SOLIDWORKS file, it will be set up to a specific unit system that we can change after. For example, my personal default system is mmgs, standing for millimeters, grams, seconds. So when I open a new file, it will be automatically set to mmgs units, as we can see here. After that, I can change it to other units. For example, I can change it to mks, standing for meters, kilograms, seconds. Now, let us assume that I have recently moved to handle a project in India, where the common measurement system used there is mks, standing for meters, kilograms, seconds. When I open a new file, I would change the unit to mks. However, naturally, I do not want to keep changing the unit system every time I start a file, because most likely I will be working on hundreds of them. So a better way would be to change the default unit system to mks. So when I open a new file, it will be on mks to start with. So let's see how we can change the default unit system, in my case, from mmgs to mks. First step would be for us to access the template file, which is used to generate the individual part files we open. To access the template file, we can go to the Open New File, and this will open the last location we used. In my case, it is the desktop. So in the file type, we can change the all files to the template file, and you will see that here, template. And once we select that, SOLIDWORKS will automatically take us to the template folder for the SOLIDWORKS version we are using. If not, you can access it going through this file location. So you go to your program data, you go to your SOLIDWORKS folder, SOLIDWORKS version you're using, and then you go to a folder called template. And here you will find 3 different templates, one for parts, one for drawings, and one for assemblies. And for now, we're only concerned with the parts template. So let's go ahead and open that up. This will open up our template file, and you can see the extension on the top of the interface as PRTDOT. So what we can do is now change whatever we want in this template. So what I want to do is change the measurement system to MKS. So we can go ahead and select MKS here. We can also select our own measurement system like CGS, IPS, or we can custom set our own unit system. So for now, I want it to be MKS. So I'll select that and then click on OK, and then save the template file. When we save our part template to MKS, any new part file we open will automatically be set to MKS. Let's go ahead and do that. So if I open a new file, and I open a part, you will notice it is automatically set to MKS. And by this, we conclude this lecture on how to change the default measurement system in a SOLIDWORKS file. In this lecture, we talked about the part files, but later on when you get to the assembly and drawing files, you can also change the unit system the exact same way.